Sometimes there's fog. Looks a lot brighter. The lights look a lot brighter through the phone than it actually is. It's quite a bit darker. It's amazing how these phone lenses can pick up, but it doesn't want to focus very well on the fog or through the windshield. It's all messed up. It's trying. That's how thick it's thick as pea soup out here right now. I think we're gonna get a bunch of rain. Wash away what snow the mountain did have. Let's try something on the windshield or something. No, it's just because it's thick.